Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good night.
Good night, everyone. It's me, Sabana Viskarma. I read in grade 2A. Today I'm going to say about my mom. My mom is so cute. My mom is so beautiful. I love him. Thank you. I love C. And I am C, my dad. I love him. I am so happy, my dad. And then my dad is so happy. Thank you. And I am going to say about my teacher. My teacher is so beautiful. I love her. Thank you. I see my friend and I love her, my friend. And Dipska also. Dipska is my best. Satkar Ritu and Gracie, my best, is my best friend. I love her. I love all. Thank you.